Here's how to convert M4A to AAC audio. So I've got an M4A file here, and I can just drag and drop it into my file converter app that I released with my brother. He's a software developer, and it's called ConvertSave. You can go to convertsave.com. Basically, you just drag drop, find your format you want to convert to, AAC, and hit convert. It doesn't get any more simple than that or quicker than that. Drag, drop, convert, save. Now you can go into your advanced options tab here, and for this conversion, so we got M4A to AAC, you can see the tool that's being used. You can see the conversion command that's being used. You can add your own custom command or build it with the options builder and select from all these different potential features and parameters that you can adjust and change and add to that conversion. And you can even save it as a default conversion that will always allow you to use whatever your custom commands are. Maybe you want to turn the volume up on every, M4A to AAC conversion or something like that. And you want to save that as your custom default, you can do that and then just drag, drop, convert, save with your own custom commands. It's pretty awesome. So basically, I'm sick of going to random websites to do file conversions. I feel like there should be something on your desktop that is this simple. And we're building this out to be even more and more user-friendly with lots of more features and formats that have support. It works completely offline. No uploading, no downloading. This works as fast as your computer will convert that file. And it works for Mac and Windows too. So right now we have support for Mac and Windows. Linux might be something in the future, but definitely Mac and Windows. And, it does images, video, and audio. So if I hadn't said that yet. I appreciate you guys for checking it out. If you do, leave a comment in that comment section down below on this video, and would love to hear back from you if you do find it as a useful part of your workflow, and hopefully it makes things more efficient for you and saves you a ton of time. Thanks a lot, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.